Hello everyone. So today I will discuss this problem. We have to draw the output waveform for step input. Here input is applied and we have to take the output across this resistor, and a resistor and this capacitor are connected in parallel with series in this with this resistor. So what we will see is that at time t is equal to 0, when the input is applied, so input changes abruptly from 0 to Vx volt. So at this time the input signal will be of high frequency. So at high frequency the impedance of this capacitor becomes to close to 0. So this capacitor can be replaced with a wire. So suppose this capacitor is replaced with a wire, so this will be short circuited, and at t is equal to 0, whole voltage will be at the output side, like VO will be equal to Vx at t is equal to 0 plus. So we can say that VO at 0 plus is equal to Vx. So what will happen here? So now we can see that what will happen is like at t is equal to 0 plus, the current through this resistor will be Vx by R. So whole current will be flowing through this capacitor, and the voltage across this capacitor will gradually start increasing, and as the voltage across this capacitor will increase, the current through this resistor will start increasing, and this current through this resistor will start decreasing. At some time the whole current will be flowing through this resistor will go through this resistor. No current will flow through this resistor. This is because at some time when the voltage across this capacitor will be equal to the voltage across this capacitor, at that time the current through this resistor will be equal to this resistor. So what will happen is, like, if the voltage across this resistor is equal to, suppose it is V1, and across this is equal to V1, so V1 plus V1 will be Vx. So V1 is equal to Vx by 2. So when the voltage across this resistor and this resistor will be Vx by 2, the current going through this resistor will be equal to this resistor, and no current will flow through this capacitor. So it will be a time of steady state. So now I will draw the waveform, output waveform. What will be the output waveform for this circuit? So initially we can see that at t is equal to 0 plus, this voltage is Vx, whole voltage come across this resistor, and t is equal to infinity, like when the steady state will be achieved, the voltage across this resistor will be equal to Vx by 2. So this is when we can also see that this is this circuit consists of single capacitor and two resistors. So what will happen if there is any in there if in any circuit there is only one capacitor and many resistor, or one resistor and many capacitor, that circuit will be of first order circuit. So to draw the output waveform of any first order circuit, we need V at 0 plus, V at infinity, and time constant. So across this resistor, V0 plus is given by Vx, as whole the voltage will come across this resistor when t is equal to 0 and this capacitor was short circuited. At V is equal to infinite, it will be Vx by 2. Also you can say that at t is equal to infinite, when the voltage will not change, that will be of low frequency, like 0 DC frequency. So at DC frequency this capacitor will be open, and this resistor and this resistor will be in series. So this voltage will be divided between this resistor and this resistor. So it will be Vx by 2. Also when we want to calculate the time constant, we will sort the input terminal as it is a voltage source. So we will sort this and find the equivalent resistance across this capacitor. So equivalent resistance across this capacitor will be this resistor and this resistor will be in parallel. So equivalent resistance will be R by 2. So time constant will be R by C. So we can now plot the output waveform across this resistor. So output waveform will be like, it will start from Vx and go up till Vx by 2. Like here, this one, this will not touch, it will touch at infinity. and the time constant will be tau will be RC by 2. This is the output waveform. Okay, thank you. I will come with another type of questions from next time.